you know, political change is a marathon, it's not a sprint, right? You know, I think parati natin problema. We think one election, we get the right president, supposedly right president, everything will be fine. My argument was that even if, sabihin natin, for the sake of argument, sa tingin nyo, si Leni was the good president. Your services, 60% think that maybe she would have been the better president than the current president. But even if maayos yung presidente mo, kung yung mga ibang branches of the state ay hindi maayos, if yung walang grassroots support, even the best presidents cannot do enough. Kaya ultimately, to have real, genuine, sustainable political change, it has to be not only electing the right leaders, pero dapat may kilusan. There should be a movement. There should be a real political parties. And to be honest, by some estimates, I mean, I've done work for Freedom House and I write for Journal of Democracy, Philippines is arguably the only semi-liberal democracy in entire Southeast Asia. No offense to Indonesia, Malaysia, definitely not Thailand, right? But tayo lang ang bansa na alam ko na barely may millennials, right? Forget about Gen Zs, in really prominent national position. The only millennial na may chance na pumasok sa national office ay bagong mukha ng may bakante bang ano dyan sa likod. Do you get what I'm saying? So, ang laki ng problema natin. In Thailand, and I suggest you guys check yung interview ko with actually Cleve and Attorney Dino. We talked about the case of Thailand. It's not a real democracy in any sense of the word. But yung Future Forward Party, people around our age or younger, they beat every single party. And you know how did they do that? They kept on organizing every year, even of pag dinidisqualify sila, gawa na naman sila ng bagong partido. Kaya move forward, future forward. But tuloy-tuloy yung laban nila. And more than that, analytics-based, house to house, nire-research talaga nila, what can we win, where can we win. Yun yung wala sa atin. And I always wonder, where are our millennial Gen Z leaders who can step up at gumawa ng kilusan? Because sa totoo lang, pagod na ako maghintay dun sa mga supposed leaders natin na who are not exercising the leadership that I was expecting from them. I mean, I'm gonna put myself in more trouble. Pink movement. Ilan milyon ang nakita natin na lumabas. I saw it with my own eyes. You can look at my vlogs. And then nung tapos ng election, nasaan? Nasaan yung organization? Nasaan yung kilusan? Nasaan yung mga leaders? Well, nakita ko sila, nagko-food vlog, nagta-travel vlog, nagfe-fellowship abroad. Wala akong problema kung gusto mo magpahinga after election. But political leadership doesn't